Linking your bank account to MVB Financial Corp is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Visit the MVB Financial Corp websites. Go to the official MVB Financial Corp website using your preferred web browser. Ensure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing scams. Step 2. Log into your account. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or link accounts option in the menu. This section will allow you to manage your linked accounts. Step 4. Select Link New Account. In the account settings, find and select the option to link new account. You may be prompted to enter your bank account information, including the account number and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Link Account button to complete the process. You may receive a confirmation email or a notification. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to MVB Financial Corp. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.